Hello, my dears. Welcome to Roxana's Little Library. Today, we are going to read a story from Islam and Me. The story name is The Baby Garden. Tariq was an only child who lived with his mother and father. One day, Tariq's mother told him, "We are having a baby." Tariq was very happy that he was having a baby brother or sister, but he also wondered where the baby would come from. Tariq asked his friend Ali, "Ali, do you know where babies come from?" Ali replied, "Sure, there's a huge store that's filled with babies, and one day the mommy and daddy go to the store and pick one out. That's where babies come from." Tariq thought a huge store filled with little babies was a very silly idea. Tariq went to his friend Hassan and asked him, "Hassan, do you know where babies come from?" Hassan told his friend, "Of course, babies come from a huge garden. You plant a baby seed in the ground, water it, and when the baby is ready, you pick it up and take it home. That's where babies come from." Have you ever heard of a baby garden? No, Tariq thought, that's too silly. Tariq asked his friend Abdullah, "Abdullah, do you know where babies come from?" Abdullah had an even sillier answer. "Babies come in boxes." Abdullah said, "You ordered the baby through the computer and it comes in the mail. That's where babies come from." Lots of things come in the mail, but Tariq knew the babies couldn't be one of them. Poor Tariq. He was so confused. He had asked one friend after another, and he still didn't know where babies came from. Finally, Tariq asked his mother, "Ammi, where do babies come from?" Tariq's mother smiled and said, "Babies come from Allah. We make dua to Allah to give us children, and He is the only one that can grant this wish." Tariq smiled. He felt so relieved. This was the best answer of all. Allah is the creator of our universe and everything in it. Can you find some of Allah's creations when you look in the sky? What creations of Allah do you see at the zoo, at the park, in your backyard? There are some things in this world that Allah has given us the tools and the wisdom so that we can understand. Have you ever thought about it? What are the things that help us to understand about Allah's creations? A house is made of wood, which comes from the trees that Allah created. A pizza is made from tomato sauce, which comes from the tomato plants that Allah created. Pizza also comes from bread flour made from wheat that grows in fields. Look at the picture. Do you see fish, monkey, river, rainbow, tree, bird, cloud, squirrel, frog, butterfly? Which of these creations do you see in the sky, on the ground, or in the water? My dears, I hope you have learned a lot about Allah's creations from this story. I'll come again with another story. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.